Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use PhotoRec, which is a piece of the test disk utility, which is a cross-platform data recovery tool that's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. To start, we're going to need to install it. Type in sudo apt install test disk in your CLI, enter in your password, and run it. As we already had it installed, we don't have to worry about it. However, just let it install, and then all you need to do is type in sudo PhotoRec. This is running it as root, which is required. We're going to be recovering data off of our deleted USB. It's completely blank right now. You can check right here. There's no files inside of it at all. So we're going to select the disk. From the list, you can navigate up and down with your arrow keys. Going to select no partition, so it's going to scan the whole disk. You can see that along the bottom there are options, file options. If you press enter, you can select what type of file you're searching for. I'm going to leave it as default and search for everything that is normally being searched for. So you just press B to save your settings and enter to quit. Alright, so now there's options. I would personally leave them as default, as they are pretty much set up so that the end user can just use it. If you mess around with it too much, you can risk deleting any of the data you're trying to recover. So we're going to then press search, navigating with your arrow keys along the bottom options, press enter. ext2, ext3, and ext4 file systems are all pretty much system file systems. If you're using a USB or trying to recover data off an SD card, you're going to want to go with FAT or NTFS, which is the other option. So navigate up and down, select the one you want, press enter. Next, we need to focus on where we're going to save the files. So we are going to store them in our recovered data folder. So navigate up and down, press enter when you reach the correct destination. So now that we are in the right directory, we're going to press C and let the program run. So right now, along the top, you can see what sector the program is on and how many headers it has found. This is all terminology relating to disk geometry. Below that, you can see the elapsed time highlighted there, and the estimated time to completion highlighted there. With 1 gigabyte USB, you're only really going to end up spending 2 minutes, and you can already see a list of the files being recovered. So that's just about run out, only 10 seconds left. You can already see how much has been recovered from a completely wiped drive. You can just press Control C to exit the program, and you're back in your terminal. So let's go see what we actually recovered. I'm going to go to my home folder and the recovered data. Inside of here, I'm not going to open it up, but we're going to take a look. This was previously empty. Now we have 322 items totaling 201 megabytes. So now we're going to enter the recovered data folder. We're going to open recup dir1, which is the naming scheme that the files are given. So right below here, you can see all the types of files. I'm not going to go too far down because this is a lot of personal information, but that is how you use PhotoRec.